Alright, just want to say that for some reason I've lost my ability to, I kind of suspect
Then take the second left.
it doesn't make any other sense.
2811 Homer and Adams Parkway on the right.
Try to put that button back in and see if that fixes. Heights optical. It's optical. Yeah, really looking at. I'm gonna have to really go into the auto parts store and look for focus. Last time, all I had to do is. Alright, gonna write on Homer F. Having to speed up too much. Okay. Oh my god, what is this part? Looks like a big one. Lloyd Hopkins Field. Marker to the left. Oh, somebody's in F. Moore Community Park, East Alton, Illinois. Moore Park in East Alton. Not too many shelters. Doesn't look like it's used much. Probably doesn't have electricity. Keep off water wheel and the fence. This bridge is actually closed, which doesn't really even have a sidewalk that leads to it. The plugins that have the safety. The old Nelson Miller Bridge. Warped. The wood looks a little gray. Crushed garlic. Boost the mood. Chasing squirrels up the tree. This is an interesting Eagle Scout project. The creation of a disc golf river on this car. I see this thing that looks. This main artery wire goes to the. This. Wow, look at the space this takes. It got a little busy to the point where of doing me. I didn't choose the best spot. What? Can I help you with something? I don't want to see you around here after dark either.